Ever wondered how to start investing but thought you needed a lot of money? Think again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start investing with just $100. Yes, you heard that right, only $100 to kickstart your financial future. Stay tuned because this is going to be a game changer. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about personal finance, business, and money. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified whenever we post new content. Let's dive right in. So, why invest? Well, investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. Thanks to the power of compounding interest, even small amounts of money can turn into a significant nest egg. Imagine your $100 growing exponentially over the years. Exciting, right? Now, let's get into the meat of the video: how to start investing with just $100. Here are some of the best options available today. First up, the stock market. Apps like Robinhood and M1 Finance allow you to start investing with no minimum balance. You can buy fractional shares, meaning you don't need to buy a whole share of an expensive stock. Just invest what you can, even if it's only $1. Next, we have ETFs and mutual funds. These are great because they offer diversification. You're investing in a basket of stocks or bonds. Apps like Fidelity and Vanguard make it easy to start with just $100. For those looking for something more automated, robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront might be the perfect choice. They create a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance. Lastly, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Platforms like Coinbase allow you to start investing in crypto with as little as $10. But remember, crypto can be highly volatile, so it's crucial to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Alright, here's a quick step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Open an investment account. Choose the platform that suits you best and sign up. 2. Set up a budget. Save that initial $100. Cut back on non-essentials if you need to. 3. Choose your investments. Decide whether you want to invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, or use a robo-advisor. Let's talk about risk management. It's essential to diversify your investments to spread risk. Don't put all your money in one stock or one type of investment. Understand your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. There are plenty of resources to help you on your journey. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, websites like Investopedia, and apps like Mint for budgeting can be incredibly helpful. Avoid these common mistakes. Emotional investing. Don't make decisions based on fear or greed. Overtrading, frequent buying and selling can rack up fees. And ignoring fees. Always be aware of the costs associated with your investments. So there you have it, folks. Starting your investment journey with just $100 is not only possible but incredibly empowering. Take control of your financial future today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.